Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup with ugu and spinach. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepared. This includes washing and chopping your ugu and spinach leaves thoroughly. You'll also need to dice your onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Don't forget your protein, whether it's fish, meat, or a vegetarian option, and have your palm oil and seasonings close by. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get into the preparation. After washing your ugu and spinach, chop them into small, manageable pieces. For your protein, whether it's beef, fish, or chicken, boil it until it's tender and then set it aside, reserving some of the broth. Next, blend your onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes into a smooth paste. This forms the flavorful base of our delicious soup. It's time to start cooking. Heat about 150 milliliters of palm oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add your blended onion, bell pepper, and tomato paste. Sauté this mixture for approximately 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's fragrant and slightly reduced. Then, introduce your boiled protein and 2 seasoning cubes, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your chopped ugu and spinach to the pot, stirring them in gently. Cook for just about 3 minutes. You want the vegetables to be tender but still vibrant. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a pinch of pepper if needed. Serve your delicious vegetable soup hot with a side of pounded yam, eba, or rice. It's a hearty and nutritious meal. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.